Hey everyone, distributed tracing is a really powerful tool for understanding system behavior, and when using Encore, you get tracing automatically for all your environments. And today I'm going to show you how you can make use of tracing even for local development. Check this out. To start your application locally, you do Encore run within the project folder, and like that, I have my project running locally. And when it's running locally, we have this API development dashboard that you can go to that helps you out with development. So let's do that. This is the development dashboard together with the API Explorer, where you can test shoot APIs as you're developing. And I've been a bit sneaky and introduced a bug into the system. So let's try to use traces in order to debug our system. Let's do the same thing as we did before and add google.com as a site that we want to monitor. We call that API and everything looks great, so let's ping it and see what happens. We then get back that it's not up. Strange. I would assume that Google is up, so there's probably something wrong with our service. So let's go into the sites.add one and see what actually happened. Here we can see that we added it to the database. Everything was fine. We published to this pub sub topic. Let's go in and see the monitor service processing that pub sub publication. Okay, what actually happened here? So we get the site from the database and then we ping it and it's not up. So here you can see that the problem is that we have some unsupported protocol schema, which means that we haven't added HTTP or HTTPS. So the bug that I introduced was actually commenting out the code that added that for us. So you can just imagine trying to figure this out without having traces. You would probably put a breakpoint in the beginning of the site.add and step through and then try to follow along with the pub sub topics and yada yada. You would probably do it, of course, but it would take a longer time than having traces at your disposal.